Let's make it cosmic slime. Welcome to the Let's Make It channel. Today I'm with my friends today, so they can help me make cosmic glitter slime. So our supplies today is a mixer, some glitter, and some beads and some glitter stars, and some borax solution, and my borax solution, and a mixer, and a big bowl of glue, and a little bowl of water. So let's get our supplies and let's make it. First, have 3/4 cups of clear glue into a really big bowl, and then pour the little bowl of water into the big bowl of glue. This is a 1/2 cup of water. And then mix it up. Mix. We tried to make edible slime, but we got so messy.
Yeah, we got stains. So,
see?
Yeah.
Look at my face, look at my hands. My face is so orange. Oh my God, look at my red hands.
Oh my God, look at my orange hands.
Mix it till it's totally dissolved. Now it's time to add our glitter. A lot or a little bit? I think we should do a lot. I'm using some purple and some on a pink. So let's do the purple.
I'm using silver and gold. I'm using black and blue.
Now put some pink in because they already put the pink.
Used all of it.
I used all of it too. I have an empty container. Can I use some of your black? Hey, can I use some?
It's coming out.
And now let's mix it together. Ooh, it looks fun.
Ooh, look at mine. It looks cool.
Ooh, cool. Mine looks pinkish and purple. Can I use a little bit of that silver? That silver looks really fun. And maybe 2 taps of that gold, because that gold is pretty too.
Mine looks like outer space. It looks like black and blue. Mine looks like
Gold, I guess.
mostly all gold and some silver. It looks like stars. It's beautiful. We have extra mix-ins like pony beads and golden stars.
So I'll use some of the pony beads.
And I'll use some of the yellow golden stars.
I'll use some of the pony beads and yellow stars.
Ooh, that looks beautiful.
Yellows.
I'm gonna use
Look
at mine. Oh, people can't even see them. That's awesome. It's a finding
Here.
situation.
Now it's time for our borax solution. Just on its rectangle so I can do it. It is a little bit at a time and then mix it together. It's starting to be slime. Maybe a little more extra mix-ins.
You can borrow them.
My slime is going to be so fun. Oh, it's really thick. I bet that's on the borax.
This is so good. Gooey. Gooey.
Ooh, it looks like cosmic slime.
Can I touch it?
Sure, but
First of all, this is not edible slime.
yes.
So don't eat it.
Don't eat it because it has pony beads and yucky stars. And beads will really kill you.
I need more borax.
Squeeze it to make it come out. Oh my hands are full of
This
glue.
is already goopy. It's breaking. It's slime.
Dang it. How do we mix it with our hands? It feels really spiky when it starts.
Yeah, feels spiky.
Mine feels watery. Feel mine.
Feels spiky.
I think mine needs some more borax. Look, mine's starting to form into a ball.
I formed mine into a big lump.
Smush it with your finger to mix it up.
Is it stretchy yet? No.
Nope, it falls apart.
Falls apart.
Mine is
But
really-
it is super fun to play with. Yeah, it's so fun.
Look how much
this
bead
is
I have
so
in mine.
heavy. Mine's so heavy.
Let's see what's inside. Look what I found. I found a teeny tiny little star.
I made this ball. It's so big.
Oh my goodness. I put too many pony beads. What if we slop it around and get slime everywhere?
Da da da.
Let's put slime everywhere, guys.
No way.
Yes.
Whee!
What if we throw it in the air? It'll fall over. You want to throw it in the air?
No.
Yeah.
Should we?
Yeah.
We
Yeah, we should. Throw it up. No.
I can't.
I can do it. Look.
I got police chase. My bricks could add too much borax in, but make sure you don't if you want it to stretch.
I went a little crazy with the borax. If you put this much borax in, the slime won't be stretchy. So see, look, watch. We made it! Thanks for helping me make cosmic slime. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
We hope you like our video. If you like my video, hit like and subscribe to the Let's Make It channel. Bye.
Bye. Bye. This is our worst mess. Yeah.
If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to the Let's Make It channel.